All right, so today...
What are we doing?
We're doing a different type of video.
Yes, it is carnival related.
It is carnival related, but it's food related. We've been challenged by the original JT...
to make a pot dish.
A pot of.
It's
her Cook With Me challenge for October, and we have accepted that challenge. And because we love carnival, we are going to try to make Carnival's wild mushroom soup. Now, here's the thing. I've eaten this many times.
Oops.
And there's a recipe online here. I will link it below, but apparently it's made with chicken stock, and I'm a vegetarian. Oops, so I'm a bad vegetarian.
So you'll see one ingredient that's a little bit different.
We are going to try to replicate it.
With all this good stuff.
But we are going to do it a little bit different because we are going to use vegetable broth instead. Yep. So we need water. We needed some dried mushrooms.
Porcinis.
We are
from Serbia, by the way.
Yeah, we're hydrating them.
Yes, rehydrating them.
Yes, and we needed carrots, whipping cream, some wine, some fancy mushrooms.
Shiitakes. Now we got a gourmet blend, which is baby bella, shiitake, and oyster.
All the mushrooms.
And then here it's like 22 ounces of total mushrooms, so there's a lot.
Yeah, so we need some salt and pepper, some onion powder, garlic powder, some butter, some chives. Of course,
importantly, the drink.
Carnival Cruise Line drink. But we also got
a russet potato,
garlic, leeks, onions, and parsley.
And chives.
I said chives, right?
Both of these will be the garnish on the top with you sprinkle on, make it all cute.
All right, so we will prepare all the ingredients, and we're not going to record everything, but this is, we're going to give this Carnival Cruise Line wild mushroom soup a try.
Here we go.
Here we go. Chopping the carrots.
Yeah, we bought coins because we were going to do a different soup that required coins, and then we changed our mind. I'm knocking these all over the floor.
Well, what else?
Need a cup. It's going to be a minute. They're so small, we're doing them both at the same time, as you can tell. Okay, most of this stuff is going to get hit with the immersion blender at the end anyway, so don't need to be pretty.
All right, we're cutting up the leek now.
All right, on to the leeks.
Need a half a cup.
Just stuff. Here are the outer layers here.
We don't even know if we're cutting this right.
Yeah, maybe. Alright, now Liz is cutting the onion because she cuts these all the time for her salads, and she's way better than me.
1 cup of onion.
There we go. Here's your blurb onion, and we're going to save the other half for something for later.
Okay, I've already chopped up the chives. So now we're going to just chop up
parsley. And this is just apparently garnish for once we're done with it. We just sprinkle on top and make it look pretty.
All right, we're going to peel our potato, which I haven't peeled a potato.
In a minute.
Ever.
It's been a while since she
peeled a potato.
All right. She's doing pretty good. Peeling the potato.
Okay.
All right, so now she's cutting up the potatoes. Oh, that's a little bit small, honey.
Oh my God! You said we're
we're cutting them up smaller so they cook quicker. We don't have chunky potatoes. So we need a cup. So it's going to be a minute. We'll be back.
All right, so we are going off menu or recipe, and we are going to put in some shiitake.
No, it says wild mushroom. Shiitakes are a wild mushroom.
Oh, okay. I don't even know.
I'm just cutting them up a little bit. We're
gonna ultimately blend them. Yeah. So
just broke out the blender, which we haven't used in a while because we read the directions.
All right.
A lot of mushrooms.
These are
baby bella, shiitake, and oyster.
Oh, we went crazy with the mushrooms. Who's a fun guy?
Haha, you're funny, man, Dr. Jones.
All right, last of the mushrooms, good old portobello, because that's our favorite. Even though
these are baby bellas, but
did the recipe say
it's a wild mushroom?
It's a wild, fresh mushroom. Okay. All right, we have rehydrated these dried mushrooms, and we are going to take them out with a slotted spoon, remove the mushroom, squeeze the excess liquid back into the bowl. A bowl. We need another bowl.
Well, give me a spoon so I can double flatten.
We are not professionals.
As you can tell.
All right. Stay tuned. All right. So we have, as you can see, we've chopped everything and prepared everything. So the next step is to warm our 2 cups of water.
We just gotta get 1 cup of
and
mushroom stock in there.
1 cup of mushroom water. And then we're going to start heating everything. So we'll see how it goes. Sort of. All right, we are going to melt 1 tablespoon of butter. Helps if we turn the pan on, don't you think?
Oh, yeah.
Medium heat?
Yeah. Well, we gotta melt the butter first. So.
All right.
Somewhere around there. Oh, you missed it. You need a little bit more. You missed a mark. It's butter. You need lots of butter.
All right, whatever. Butter.
Oh, use the butter. All right, we gotta let that melt.
Okay.
All right, so now we got the butter pretty much reduced. We're gonna add in the carrots, the leeks, and the
Onions.
Then we're gonna get our official
Carnival Kitchen.
Carnival Kitchen spatula. And we're gonna let this reduce, it says, for about 10 minutes or until tender. So I expect you to be watching for the full 10 minutes. I'm just kidding.
No, we're shutting
Kidding.
it. We'll be back in 10. All right, let's stir in.
Leeks stink, by the way.
Yeah. So far, it does not smell good.
No, but it's just those things.
All right. All right, so 10 minutes, we're going to add another tablespoon of butter.
Putting stuff on Liz, apparently.
Yes. And then we're going to add the fresh mushrooms. Not the hydrated ones.
Butter melt down first.
No, it doesn't say that.
Huh?
It doesn't say that.
All right. Lump them in. Here goes the mushrooms.
Yeah.
Bam.
Yeah.
Bam.
All right.
See? Emerald, that one. Bam.
And now another 10 minutes. All right. It's doing its thing, and it's looking good.
So once we get everything in there, we got to bring it to a boil. Once it boils, go to simmer until the potato is very soft. Stirring occasionally, about 30 minutes.
All right. All right. Next is the porcini mushrooms, which we hydrated. And
in a classic Julia Child, a little bit more wine.
no, we didn't add any wine yet. We're doing a half a cup
Dry white wine.
dry white wine.
What do you think? We bought it in a box.
Yeah.
A little box. Now for this one, it says stir and let simmer for approximately 5 minutes or until all liquid is evaporated. So we're gonna jack it up a little bit.
Well, simmer is simmer.
Oh no. Yeah, no, but it says 5 minutes, so
All right.
it's a lot of liquid. All right, we'll be back. All right, still reducing. I said reduce till the liquid is out, and as you can see, there's still quite a bit of moisture in there. Give it a couple more minutes, and then we're gonna go to the final step before it starts the cooking of the total soup.
All right, now we're going to add our chopped potato.
Just smack it. There you go.
And the mushroom juice that we saved.
Yep, this is from rehydrating the mushrooms.
And we're going to let that do its thing.
No, you gotta put the thing in.
Oh, and the vegetable
And the
stock.
stock, yeah.
Oh, oops.
Now for the veggie stock,
4 cups of veggie stock.
which is this whole thing.
It's supposed to be chicken stock, but we're going with veggie.
This is a vegetarian, as you guys well know. So,
Trying not to.
splash everywhere? A little
Yeah.
late for that.
Yeah.
Alright, then we gotta bring this to a boil. And then simmer. So we're gonna wait for this to boil. I'll show you when it's boiling, and then we'll throw it on simmer. Alright, looks like we are officially at a boil. So, we'll be turning it down to simmer. Give it a quick stir, get everything going. I'm going to turn it down for a simmer, and we'll see you in about 30 minutes.
Okay, so it has cooked for 30 minutes, simmered. So we're going to let this cool for a little bit. Then we're going to do the immersion blender. We're going to try that first before we use a real blender and get rid of all the chunks. And then when we're done with that, we're going to add the cream and we'll season the taste. So we'll see how this works. All right, so it's cooled off a little bit, and we are now going to try to use the immersion blender instead of a real blender and see if this will chop it up.
Here we go. Gonna be loud.
All right, so we have blended it successfully.
Yep. So you can use an immersion blender on this. That looks delicious.
Although we've splashed it everywhere. And now...
That's why we have aprons on.
All right, you hold that, and we're going to add the cream.
And then we're just going to stir. That's it.
This is heavy whipping cream. I'm going to stir it in. And then we're just going to season to taste. And,
Well, it's looking a little creamy now.
oh, yeah, that looks good.
Getting there.
That almost looks like the picture.
It does.
Oh, you're splashing everywhere.
Yeah, it happens. Again, that's why we have aprons on. Okay, that's looking pretty good.
All right. All right, we will serve it up and do a taste test.
Yummy.
All right, we are about to serve this mushroom soup in our handy dandy carnival colored bowls.
We're only going to do two because there's two of us eating.
All right, well, this one, it's actually baked cheese. We're going to not use that one.
Yes, yes. No, this is we use that for onion soup, the baked onion soup.
Okay. Oh, yeah, that looks good. It really looks like the carnival recipe.
Oh, it does.
I think, from what I remember.
All right, so now we're in there. We're going to do our little topping of chives and parsley, which doesn't put a little bit on there because I don't like any of these things.
Okay, just for garnish. And that is the final presentation.
Bam. All right, here comes the taste test of our carnival mushroom soup. I would scoop that stuff off, but whatever. How'd that come out?
Really good.
Nice. And we got a whole pot left. Look at that. Well, that's coming to work tomorrow, folks. This is like, ooh, you take it in. I think we did well. All right, well, there you go, folks. That has been our...
No, you need to taste test.
Oh, well. All right. So I'm going to scoop off parsley and just throw it in the lid because I don't like parsley.
We can't even taste it.
Whatever. Still green. Oh, that's good. A little bit thicker than what's on the boat. Should have added more cream.
Yeah, you could add more seasoning to taste. We added a little more salt, a little more pepper.
That is delicious.
He wants more cream, but I'm trying to make it less fattening. So great job, honey.
Wow. You too. Thanks, Liz.
All right, thank you, Original JT, for the challenge.
Accepted.
Done. Bye, y'all.